Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly if you are new here, and in today's video we're doing a whole makeup look with only cream and liquid products. We're not going to be using any powders, we're not setting our face or anything like that, so it's going to be a good makeup challenge. If you guys like me, if you like my kind of videos, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you can be notified for every upcoming video coming up. And stay tuned, this video is going to be great. Alright, we're back doing a cream makeup look. Only cream and liquid products. So today I'm using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer, the Dewy Primer. So that's what I'm going to be using today to prime my skin, because I haven't used it yet. Is done. Now I'm going to be putting foundation on, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, which is my favorite foundation right now. Like, hands down, it's like my favorite. So, do this. My foundation is done. I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer off camera, and I will be right back. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, the Makeup Revolution in C3, and the ColourPop No Filter in the Fair 2, and I will be right back. I just finished up on my foundation and my concealer. I have a little bit of touching up I should do right here. But yeah, I just finished up my foundation and my concealer. Now I'm not gonna set my face because we're only using liquid and powder, or liquid and cream products. I'm not using any powder products today, so I'm not gonna be setting my face. Instead, what I'm gonna be doing is using some cream bronzer and cream blush. Now I already do have a pretty solid contour, so I'm not really going to be doing too much bronzer, but I will be adding some cream blush on. So today I do have two cream blushes. Let me see which one I want to use. I'm using this one. This is the Tarte Air Blush, and it is in shimmering pink. I've used quite a bit of it, so I'm going to be using this blush today. Use this brush right here. Just swirl it right around in here and just stamp it on like a stippling motion. You just want to stipple it real light and then kind of blend it together with the contour that you have. Stipple it on. And then blend it together with your contour. It's what I call like the smirky like look that you do, because you have to have kind of like a snooty little smirk on, like in order to do this. With your cream brush. And I stipple it on, just kind of everywhere because I love blush. Perfect. I am gonna use a little bit more concealer here and just kind of clean up right here the edges. I know I wanted to do that a little bit earlier, but I'm gonna do this right now. Here and just kind of blend it all together, because you want to make sure you're blended. You don't want, like, see how this has like a harsh line? You don't want that. You want it to be like blended together so it looks like it's all kind of natural. You don't want like a stiff line of product or of a contour or blush or anything like that. Like, you just want it to be perfectly blended together like that. See? You see how it's all blended now? Instead of having a harsh line. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Pomade, and then I will be right back. It's gonna take me a little while to do them, so I'm not gonna do them on camera, but I will be using the Anastasia Brow Pomade. Alright everyone, I am back and I have eyebrows now. I did use the Anastasia Brow Pomade and the shade Blonde to do my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes and get ready to do eyeshadow. So this is my face so far using only cream products. So pretty good. Only doing cream and liquid products. I haven't said anything. So it is, yeah. Now what I recommend, since I did not set my face yet, I have not set my face with powder or anything, is to go ahead and set my face with setting spray. Use this in the middle of your makeup routine, like right after you use concealer. Go ahead and set your face with setting spray and then move on to your eyes and then set it one more time at the very end. So I'll go ahead and do that. Beautiful. Okay. Because that'll kind of set what we have and like melt what we have together without actually having like a powder to set it together. Does that make sense? So, and then for my eyeshadow today, let me see. A few things I want to try. So let me get my stuff out. I'm going to be priming my eyes with a MAC Painterly Paint Pot here, and then I'm going to be going in with all ColourPop Super Shock shadows. Woo, that's hard to say. So these are cream products, so I'm going to be using these in order to do my eyes today. But I'm going to start with priming my eyes. Okay. Now what I like about the MAC Painterly Paint Pot is the fact that it cancels out all the colors. So when you use the paint pot, it just like, it has this slight color to it, and it's a good eye base because it cancels out all the other color and just leaves like a fresh color that's like near your skin tone, and I really like that. Versus like an Urban Decay primer that's like clear. I don't like a clear primer like that, but this is so good. Alright, so the first shade that I'm going to be using is, I'm going to dig into the shade Tote, I think is what it is. And it's just a very nice kind of brown shade right here is what I swatched. So it's good. I'm just going to swirl right into it real quick. And then start it on the crease. Add a little bit of dimension. Now the one thing that you want to be careful of is that these shadows don't dry out. You want to make sure that you close them so that they don't dry out on you. That's a really light shade. It's literally like the same color as my skin, just as a good transitional shade. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Desert. This will warm it up just a little bit. Now for these shadows, you can use your fingers for them. I like to use my fingers and a brush, but I like to use a brush that's made for them, like a cream, like a nice synthetic brush is good for these kind of shadows. Go in with a darker shade just right around the outside. I'm going to use the shade Fairfax, which I think was a limited edition shade. I'm going to take a smaller brush, nude, just on the outer V. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Ripple, which is this beautiful shade right here. Gorgeous. I have yet to use this on my eyes. And I'm going to go all over the lid with that. And I'm going to take a ColourPop brush to use it. I don't know which brush it is, but it's just the ColourPop brush right here. And just stamp that all over the lid. I'm actually going to use my finger. I think it'll go on a little bit better with my finger, and I'm just going to use my middle finger right here. Swirl it around and then stamp it all on. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm going to use the other finger on this hand just to make it even on both sides. So now what I'm going to do is take the first brush and blend it all together. Go back into that darker brown color and kind of go further on the outside, on the outer edge. Take my brush from earlier . Okay. And now we are done with the eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. I'm going to line my eyes with an e.l.f. Gel liner here, and then I will be right back. Alright, I'm back at it with some eyeliner on, and today For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop highlighter in Flexitarian. It is their Super Shock highlighter, so it's also a cream highlighter. This is not sponsored, by the way, in any way, shape, or form, if you can tell. This is not sponsored, but thought I'd let you know before I dive too deep into the ColourPop. And just go right on in. Oh, yes! That's what I like to see. I'm gonna take another ColourPop brush, but this one's a little bit more fluffy. I'm gonna go into the inner corner with this highlighter. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, do some mascara, and I will come back for some lipstick and we will be done. All right, mascara is on, and now I'm gonna be going in with the lipstick. I'm gonna be using a cream lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics. It's called Enchanté. That's what I'm gonna be using for my lips today. It is a pretty pinky purple. It goes perfectly well with this eyeshadow that I'm doing today. All right, and there you have it. Is that better? All right, so here we are. Here is my final look. It looks so good. Oh, this lighting is so much better. What was I doing? But yeah, this is my final look, and it was done with all cream products. So I hope you guys like it. So there's my final makeup look. It is an all cream makeup look, so I did not set my face. No powders are at all on my face right now, so it looks really good if I do say so myself. I really like how this look turned out. I like the purple eyeshadow, I like the eyeliner, I like the lipstick, I like everything about it. I'm really happy with how this turned out. And yeah, if you guys like this video, if you like me, make sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you can be notified for every single time I upload. And Messy Hair Kelly will be back all the time. So if you guys like this video, just make sure that you give me a big thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time, because this was a lot of fun, and I hope that you guys really like this makeup look, because I really do. I really like how this look turned out. So if you guys like it, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.